Make a great choice today with the 2021 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van, flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, dual rear wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, traction control, auxiliary audio input. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.